The corporate learning market is accelerating at a breakneck pace, and the engine driving that speed is the inescapable urgency of AI. But forcing a system to move faster than it was designed to go creates friction. For learning and development teams, this mandatory speed is generating massive operational uncertainty. We have all seen the legacy approach to managing learning operations. It relies on fragmented workflows, reactive requests, and an endless stream of email chaos. When you try to scale that old intake model to meet a sudden surge in content volume and new technological demands, the pipes burst. Injecting pure speed into an environment without the proper operational infrastructure results in organizational breakdown rather than progress. Solving this requires rethinking the relationship between an organization and its providers. A strategic partner manages the operational architecture itself, rather than just fulfilling individual tickets. That is why AnswerSource built the Learning Operations System, or LOS. Think of it as a central command center designed specifically for modern learning demands. The immediate operational upgrade is simple. LOS enforces a single, unified portal for all learning intake, eliminating the scattered communication channels of the past. This diagram illustrates the intake funnel. It captures chaotic multi-source requests, categorizing and sorting them into distinct priority lanes. The exact same ecosystem standardizes the review process. Items move directly from intake into a QA queue, keeping quality checks consistent and highly visible. By placing the entire pipeline in one clear view, organizational leaders gain the visibility required to prioritize long-term strategic needs, rather than spending every day fighting reactive fires. With intake and quality assurance centralized, a learning department stops reacting to the loudest voice in the room. It operates as a governed, proactive command center. But organization is only half the battle. We still have to address the core tension, producing high-quality educational material at the aggressive speed AI demands. The operational engine driving that output inside LOS relies on standardization. We utilize 12 specialized production packages that clearly define how learning creation happens. One of those specific packages focuses entirely on rapid content modernization. It allows teams to efficiently upgrade vast libraries of legacy materials to current technological standards without reinventing the wheel. Another package is dedicated to AI-enabled production. This provides a safe, controlled environment to scale the creation of net new content utilizing the latest generation of tools. This chart contrasts legacy bespoke production against the LOS model. Standardizing the creation process compresses development timeframes, achieving 30 to 50% faster velocity. Notice the downward trend line overlaying those compressed timeframes. This increase in speed directly correlates to measurable, predictable cost savings. By combining governed intake with standardized production packaging, organizations can scale their speed safely while keeping their budgets firmly under control. Improving speed and reducing costs are critical immediate metrics, but the true value of this system is how it supports the long-term evolution of the learning function. Through a framework called Answer Elevate, LOS tracks your progress against broader organizational capability goals in real time. As those complex project needs evolve, the system dynamically assesses them and matches you with top-tier performance professionals from our network, ensuring you always have the precise expertise required. There is also a compounding secondary benefit. Because your teams are continuously interacting with an AI-enabled production system, they actively build their own internal AI fluency as a natural byproduct of doing the work. By integrating these specialized resources and building internal AI literacy, the learning department transforms into a scalable engine that can pivot alongside new technological shifts. The market will continue to accelerate. With LOS, you have the governance framework to turn that acceleration into a controllable, predictable asset.